So this is what I'm looking for. Josie just settling in and being relaxed. While the storm sounds are going on. So, look at her, she's even closing her eyes. Waiting for one of the big cracks to happen. Good, so she's doing good. So I'm not giving her a bunch of attention, talking to her. I'm just going about life is normal, and she's on place, and I'm just waiting for her to just do just this, to like just kind of just relax and not really pay much attention to the storm noises, and we can just keep increasing her threshold like that to the volume. And there we go. That's it. Josie being a rock star. So, going to stop this. And now we'll just get up and go do something fun. All right. Josie, free. Woohoo!